Hello everybody. Today we're gonna show this beauty. It's 2003 Lexus LS430 with 96,000 miles. This car stay all this life on the Florida. It's very clean. It's clean title. No accident. Only 2 owners. On this video we're gonna show the condition for this car, and we're gonna do a small test drive to show you guys this car is very nice. So let's start from the front car. So we have a front sensors, front parking sensors. I have a white light, fog light. Look, the rims are scratched, the brakes are new, tires are new. The rear tire, the rear wheel too is very clean. See, the brakes are nice. Tires too, this car, they don't have any kind of rust because it's very clean. They have a rear parking sensors too. So when you park, it's very easy. I'm gonna show a little bit the engine. I'm gonna show you the interior. It's like a button there. You can pop the hood, and you can see the beast under the hood. 4.3 liter, and on this car has been done the timing chain. I have the receipt over there, so I can show you the receipt. Like 720, like 1 year battery. See, it's running. The car is like, it's very smooth. This car came rear wheel drive, but they have a lot of power. Very nice car. And we're done for the engine. I do a lot of pictures, so you can go to a link and you can see a lot of pictures. So the mirrors, they have a button here. You can close it. See, go there, close, or you can leave it on auto. So when you lock the door, they're gonna lock by themselves. It's like 3 memory seats, so you can set 1, set 2, set 3 for 3 drivers. And this small button here, they control this thing here. Control the belt. So let's go on the seat. You can see the seat is very clean for the year and the mileage. It is very nice. So they have a couple buttons. So one, they go down, you see, they go forward, go lower, go up like this. The back one too. Remove all the seats. You see, this thing controls the head. The back one. See, and those buttons control the back one. If you have something on the back, you see, one is pulling, one is pushing. So they have an airbag on the sides here. So let's put the volume down because we cannot listen nothing. Yeah, it's like the button for the gas and the button for the trunk. You can open this thing. I don't know, sometimes I don't know how they open that. The button for parking sensors. This one is to control the lights. This one is lights. This one is for steering wheel. So let's close the door. They have a side over here, is like airbag, and this one is a sticker for our next service. So I don't know why this thing doesn't open. I open because I do the picture. Yeah, now it's open, so you can see it. You can put some things there. Is a the trip and the reset. Is the mileage, is trip there, is the average. It's like no lights on the steering wheel, on the on the dash, I'm sorry. See, it's running very smooth. I even don't listen nothing. This one is for radio, the volume. This one is the display one, display 2, like you can control the seat there, like whatever you want to do. So is the steering wheel, like cruise control on the steering wheel. They have 2 sets of keys. So they have a navigation. This one is the climate control. Over here too for the passenger. Like small screen, you can see that too. So they have menu, they have options, they have audio. There's a climate over here. But I'm gonna leave it on the map. It's like cassette. You can put a cassette because it's old. It's AM, FM type disc, whatever you can choose. This one is a disc one, disc changer. There's a button for the power if you have snow, if you need just the power. And they're gonna see the yellow thing over there, the green thing. And this one is the cooled seats and the heated seats. Both they work because I tried, but I'm gonna leave on the cooled now because it's like very hot outside and I don't wanna. There's a gearbox. It's very clean, no smoke on the car. This one is for cup holders. Actually I didn't do the picture, I forget. It's like this one is a center console, this one go up and down. They have a power there. It's very nice, and this one too. Like the button for the lights and for the sunroof. They have a moonroof too. I'm gonna leave it open because I need some light. This one is for the light, for the glasses, the center mirror. So they have a rear parkings. See the passenger seat is like very clean, very nice. They have 2 storage here. On this receipt I do a couple pictures, you can see it on our website. They have many service. It's like service for the timing belt. It's like the books and everything, information. This one is you can control the seat from here, you see. When you have someone on the back and if you want more space, this one go forward, go rear, whatever you want to do, you can control it from here. So I think I'm done on the front one. Let's go on the back. The floors are very clean, but the mats are on the back because the car is just clean. See the door? For a cigarette. Never use a cigarette because it doesn't smoke. It doesn't smell. Look the floors, the console here. There's a power there. Look the seats, rear seats. I think they drive alone because they don't have a sign. There's an airbag over here too as well. They have heated seats on the back. So in the winter time you don't need to worry about. This one is if you have something big on the back, this button open that. But I do the pictures so you can see on the pictures. And that's it for that. It's very clean. I'm gonna open the trunk, show a little bit the trunk, and we go from there. I put the plate because I'm gonna do the test drive. There one the mats, they're clean, nice and clean. This one is a set for the tire. This one the first aid. Those I do a picture on the pictures, those things, so I don't need to open now. It's like full spare tire, and that one I do the picture too. Is very nice, never use it. It's a full size. You're gonna see on the pictures. So this one, if you have something you don't need to move, you can put stuff there. So let's put the plate. See the small box there? Like never use because I have a paper. See the paper covers. This one if you want to open from inside. This one is like to hang this trunk. Let's go to other side. Like I tell, the wheels and the tires are very nice. I don't need to show all the way because like they are very nice. The cigarettes. This side is very clean as well. It's like airbag as well. Floors. Rear ones, they don't have a sign for passengers. Very clean. This button control the belt too as well. Like the other side, you can put something here like storage. They have an airbag here if you want to move the seats, the head as well. See, like every button work on this car. Floor is clean. So their bag is only this one here and one is over there. So you see the seat, it's very clean, no cracks, no nothing. It's very nice. So let's take it for a ride and we go from there. I'm gonna try to do this small test drive, like all around the block. So let's go. Put on drive. The radio works.
And help you find the seat.
Yes, I don't want to open that. Let's go around the block. No lights on the dash. Make a turn here. You feel the brakes. The brakes are very nice, in good condition. This car drive like, I don't know, like an airplane or like a boat. You're not gonna feel nothing. No lights on. Drive very smooth. I love the way how this car drive. It's like very smooth. Put some gas. It's a V8 power, that's why it's like very powerful. So let's turn left here. Very nice. I'm gonna go to climate. I'm gonna lower the fan speed because like sometimes they bother when you do the video. See the sensor, sometimes when they see something close, they open the signal like it's blinking. This car needs nothing. They need just someone want to buy it and drive for a while. Like the reason it's been on the Florida is very clean. They make this car very rare, so for the year and for the condition it is very nice and very smooth driving. Runs perfect. So let's wait for the light. I think gonna open now. And we're gonna go around the block. Very smooth. The light is open. There's some bumps here. Nothing at all. I don't listen nothing. It's like it's perfect for long trips. It's very nice. I suggest to someone. Sometimes the old people, they love those cars, but because it's like very smooth. But they have a young guys, they want to buy it. Young people, they don't care. This car is perfect. Maybe it's not that perfect on gas, but it is because it's like very nice car. It's very big, drive very comfort. I cannot go more than 40 here because it's like kind of city road. I don't listen nothing. Steering wheel is straight. You see, it goes straight. like the way how they drive. So this video is to show the car is on good condition. They run and drive very nice. It's not just a promotion, but we promote the cars because it's like we have very far away customers, so they want to see the condition of the car. So this is why this video is made, for that reason. It's not just I don't want to get famous from the YouTube from that. I want for my customer to be in comfort what they buying. Like they do a very long turn. It's like this car turns a lot. When you try to get on the left, on the right, it's like very nice. It's like big car, but steering wheel is like Mercedes-Benz. Like for the year, this car is very expensive and very luxury. I love the Lexus. The Lexus, they make very nice cars. You see, drive very smooth. Believe me, if you want to take this car going all the way from Massachusetts to Florida, you're not gonna feel nothing. Make sure you take some pillow with you because you're gonna sleep all the way, because it's like very comfort, the front and rear. I'm not saying about the driver, because if he sleep gonna have trouble, but for a passenger and other people, believe me, this car drive nice. I give you 100% sure. You can come, stop by, you can take a look, no scratch at all. Drive perfect, mint, like very mint. You can find the 2021 one car, and they're gonna drive almost the same, or maybe it's like not comfort like this one, because the old ones are very nice. Like it's not that old because they have a navigation, they have a rear sensors and front sensors too. So this car, you can find a lot of pictures online, or on our website is www.rockysautomass.com. You can find plenty of pictures over there and information. So let me know what you think, guys. If you like this video, you can press the like there, or if you want to subscribe me, you can subscribe there. Thank you so much for viewing this video, and thank you for the support. My boss love me what I do, so I'm not just lying here, I'm telling the truth. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to like this video, please. It make me happy. And hopefully you enjoyed the trip with me. And see you on the next video. Hopefully we find something nice. It's like nice car like this one. Oh, it was a long, like, hard brake, and the car stops. It's very nice. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.